Hi everybody, Anthony here from Triple X RC Garage. And what do I have here in front of me? Yes, it's a sport body, totally decked out with all the stuff, and it comes with the Traxx. It has not been released yet, as you see, display demo only. But obviously I'm not going to run this because he does sell this one, so it's not going to be an in-store demo. So anyway, this is brought to you by Awesome RC Cars of Indian Trail, or I should say Monroe, North Carolina. This is the TRX4 Traxx, not Sport, Traxx. The difference is the body is the same body, but the difference is the other one would have said Sport here. This is called Traxx because of the Traxx. So I was planning on doing a box opening or an unboxing, but this is just going to be a box reveal. So you guys ready? Here it comes. Bam! There it is. What do you think? Check it out. This thing comes with the light kit already built in, and obviously the cool bumper, the roof rack or utility rack, already decked out with the jerry cans, all the tools in here, including the sand ladders and that. And check it out, it even has the front lights. So it's got the complete light kit, it's got the complete snorkel, it's got the complete mirror kit. The only thing it doesn't have is the additional lights that go here and on the side. But other than that, oh, and check it out, the new body, it's got clear windows. So you interior this if you'd like. And of course, not to mention the cool Traxx. Check out the flex on this thing, even with the Traxx on it. Prices on these things, but all I know is to add all this up here, you'd probably have a $750 truck, and you can get this whole thing for $599. And it's even got the light kit mounted correctly in here. I did put a battery in here so you can see it. Let me turn this off and take my battery out of it. I just wanted you guys to see the lights and the light kit on there. But yeah, like I said, you can see through the windows, and the light kit's done very nicely in here. Look at it, it's already installed, so you don't have to go through the cutting process of cutting the body and doing all this stuff. Now if you like to do that, that's fine, but it's going to cost you a lot more money than doing the snorkel, the mirrors. So everything's all included. Now the only thing you won't get with this is tires and wheels, because you're getting the Traxx. Now, can you put tires and wheels on it? Sure you can. It comes with a kit, tool kit. Let's set this over here for a second. And so it comes with a tool kit and some extra decals. So like if you messed up your fender decals, there's extra fender decals. But it comes with the big, I call it tire tool, really not, but it's the track tool to take this off. Even comes with a lug wrench and some extra body pins, and of course the book. And of course then you got like all these gauges and door handles and extra things in the, instead of saying Sport like the other one, oh, this just got the Sport decals here too, so you could probably put the Sport decals on there if you want. But This is the Traxx, and of course it comes with the radio. What's in the box? The box comes with a TQ two-channel radio. It comes with waterproof ESC, Titan 21 550 motor, quality tool set, quick start guide, and the TRX4 ready to drive. So again, this is the TRX4 Traxx by Traxxas. I'm sure it comes in blue as well, I mean red as well, because I see red on the box. There's a red one on the box. So I'm sure it comes, looks more like an orange. Maybe it's orange, not red. So you can get it in orange or this cool blue. This blue is different from the original blue. Now, the original blue was a lot darker, as you can see. I didn't color this, so this is going to look a little bit different from normal. But this is the same cool body. So normally, like I said, you'd get a Sport, and it wouldn't have all the rack on the back like this one does, or the lights and stuff. Of course, I put that on there. But I'm just saying, it's going to come just like a regular pickup truck. So this is it. So the Sport doesn't come with fender wells. This one does. So it's got the fender wells included, different bumper, but the light kit that you can still get for it is going to be the fender well light kit. It doesn't come with it. So it doesn't come with the fender well kit, or the rock light kits, I guess you should call it. It doesn't come with the bumper light, and it doesn't come with the lights that go up on the utility rack. But other than that, you know, Traxxas does want to leave something for you guys to do. But anyway, there it is, guys. The TRX4 Traxx. And so basically, you're getting fender wells, utility rack, mirror snorkel kit. You're getting light bar built into the rack. You're getting the front headlight and rear light with lighting kit in it, and these Traxx. And I don't know about you, but if you do the math, this is one heck of a deal. And the project's done. Take it out of the box, plug a battery in, go have fun. That's it. So this thing's pretty cool. Check out the flex. You know what? And if you want to do a comparison on height, and here's mine. Original one that came with this body. And look how much higher it still sits. So yeah, I added this roof rack, all these bits and pieces, all the mirrors, had to cut all this myself, had to cut out to install the headlights. You know, same thing with the taillights. Of course, this is my aftermarket bumper. But yeah, all this stuff had to be bought extra. And the only thing you would need to do this thing is put an interior in it and go play, and a battery, and go play. So there it is, guys. Let me take this out of the way. And look at the steering radius on this thing. That's still not bad with a track on it. Now let's take a look at the Traxx. Let me get my stand out here so we can look at the Traxx. This on a block. So the Traxx have like a shock absorber here. So like if say you bump into something, it absorbs it. See how the spring Goes in. Let me put the camera where you can see it. So like if you hit, see how the spring little shock absorber works. There's individual bearings in each one of these rollers, and the rear is bigger than the front one, as you can see. So, and the rear one also has that same shock absorber, so if you flex, it flexes, it doesn't break it or destroy your truck. So there it is, guys. And these are like tire. This is rubber, and your direct pulley here. That's pretty nice. And just so you guys know, this is not mine. Okay. Will I be getting this? Not sure yet, but here's the whole rig, if you don't have one, that you can get already decked out. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and remember, have fun with RCs.